wiki.ezvid.com. Search Ezvid Wiki before you decide. Ezvid presents the 10 best alcohol-free shampoos. Let's get started with the list. Starting off our list at number 10. Invigorate your showers with the scent of lemongrass thanks to Acure Curiously Clarifying, which is available in your choice of an 8 or 12-ounce bottle. It contains argan oil to give your hair a healthy shine, plus it's vegan and not tested on animals. It's good for thick and curly locks and contains aloe as a moisturizer. However, nevertheless, it's too harsh for some users. At number 9, Nywele Moisturizing Repair includes a combination of argan oil and keratin to strengthen hair as it gives it body and shine. Vitamin E and omega fatty acids add even more nutrients to promote health from your follicles to the end of every strand. It contains no parabens and comes in a convenient pump dispenser, but it's not great for oily locks. Coming in at number 8 on our list, Laritelle Diamond Strong comes with a matching bottle of conditioner and has myriad benefits, including helping prevent hair loss and stimulating your follicles to promote new growth. It includes natural ingredients like jojoba, olive oil, ginger, and peppermint. It contains no GMOs, and the plastic bottles are BPA-free. However, it is considerably expensive. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for alcohol-free shampoos, or simply click beneath this video. At number 7, whether you're traveling and need something small or work in a busy salon and have lots of heads to clean, there's a Sojorn color preserve that's the right size for you. It coats each strand, protecting your color against free radicals and UV damage alike. It's completely biodegradable and pH balanced to match your hair, but it has a drying effect on some users. Moving up our list to number 6. It may not be the first ingredient you associate with hair health, but the activated charcoal in this blend from Botanic Health Cosmeceuticals serves to strip impurities from every strand on your head. It also includes argan, jojoba, avocado, and camellia seed oils. It works well on all hair types and removes chlorine after a swim. However, it can stain your shower floor or walls. Halfway up our list at number 5. If you feel like you need a divine intervention in order to maintain your mane, shear miracle organics may be the answer to your prayers. Each 8-ounce bottle is packed with natural ingredients like lime and chamomile, specially formulated to keep your color looking good. It moisturizes extremely well and is made primarily of herbal extracts. It contains African black soap too. At number 4, among the extremely short list of ingredients in a bottle of Vaadi herbals heena, you'll find coconut and olive oils, henna and green tea extracts, organic honey, and corn silk. All of these work together to restore moisture and give your hair a smooth and elegant finish. It can replace the need for a conditioner and doesn't contain any sulfates. It has a pleasant unisex scent. Nearing the top of our list at number 3. If you're looking for a healthy, natural and non-drying formula designed for children, Keralogie Kids may be the one for you. It boasts a strong detangling effect and leaves hair ultra soft, with a glossy sheen that's sure to turn heads. It straightens as it cleans, and a matching conditioner is also available. It contains no synthetic ingredients. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for alcohol-free shampoos, or simply click beneath this video. At number 2, specifically designed for those who've treated their hair with chemical straighteners, heat presses or dyes, latinoil chia repair helps restore your shine and bounce. Unlike some products, it won't strip away the healthy oils your scalp naturally produces as it cleans. It's available in a 2-ounce travel size and won't remove synthetic color. It contains omegas 3, 6, and 9. And taking the top spot on our list, developed by a naturalist as a method of combating the hair loss she faced in her early 30s, luxeorganix rejuvenating argan oil thickens as it cleans. It's great for naturally wavy, frizzy, or curly-locked individuals, as well as those who've used bleach or peroxide. It has a curl-enhancing effect and provides relief to itchy scalps. It's manufactured in the United States. Our newest choices can only be seen at wiki.ezvid.com. Go there now and search for alcohol-free shampoos, or simply click beneath this video.